Okay, so over here you can see Macau Tower, but we're going to be walking down this little strip of casinos. We're going to end over by an outdoor show by the Wynn. And I'll kind of tell you what all this is about as well. So stay tuned, and that's Macau Tower right there for reference. Okay, let's get started. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, we're gonna be walking down to MGM, and we're gonna be walking down this waterfront. Right to the right of me, this is MGM. So this is kind of a little shopping district of MGM, kind of high end. So you see the Dior, you see the Louis Vuitton, and this kind of bright one is very well illuminated. So if you are on this bridge, and I take this bridge all the time, it connects Macau to Taipa, so many people take this bridge, especially if they're taking taxis or buses. If they're driving, they would take, there's 3 bridges total that connect the peninsula part of Macau and Taipa, which is the southern part of Macau. Macau Tower is right there. So yeah, we're basically in the southern tip of the Macau Peninsula, and then the bridge connects to the northern tip of the Taipa Island. So yeah, this one always illuminates the sky of MGM, and then up there you can't see it from this side, but there'd be a big sign that says MGM from they can easily see from the buses. This lake right here is called Namban Lake. Beautiful Macau Tower. You can actually take a dinner up there. There's a restaurant called 360 Degrees. It spins around slowly so that you can, maybe it takes, I think it's 20 minutes a rotation or something like that. So you can see the whole skyline while you're eating and just kind of see the beauty of the city. Then you can also bungee jump from Macau Tower as well. That right there is Peña Church. It's up on the hillside, so it's a little bit steep to get up there, but it's always well lit at nighttime, so it lights up the sky as well. So yeah, if you're on that bridge, you'd have the lit up part of this, and then you'd have the lit up spots of that. And then also those little bright lights over there, that's a future financial district of Hengqin, which is currently on China's soil, but they're going to be combining it with Macau. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but they're doing something in the near future to make part of Hengqin, or I think the whole island of Hengqin, into the Macau part. Straight ahead is the Wynn Casino. And the Wynn Casino, there's a little show that we're gonna see shortly. And then over here is the Wynn Hotel, Wynn Casino, Wynn Hotel. Forget the name of that one. Star World. It's that little yellow star, Star World. Over here, looks like he's filming maybe the Macau Tower. This is called Avenida de Sagres. So if you want to find it up on the map, you can. Avenida de Sagres. And it's basically kind of this waterfront area. And then, so that's the MGM Casino. And this is the Wynn Casino over on this side. And there's a tiny little park that separates the two. And there's I think sometimes there's some cars that go in and out somehow. You can see the cars up on the street lined up. I'm not sure the story with that. Oh, we got music too. Oh man. Beautiful music, which might hurt my video upload. I hope not. Beautiful song though. So we're walking along the MGM, and we're trying to be careful about the music, and then straight ahead is Grand Lisboa and Lisboa. So those are two big casinos, and we're going to be over there shortly. I do like that music, but if that affects my video and I can't upload it, that's going to be pretty frustrating. Look how beautiful this view is. Okay, so here we are coming up on the big Wynn sign and this big fountain as well. And there's MGM in the background and Wynn right there. Okay, the music stopped. There's going to be a show that's going to start in a minute, so I'll try to talk over while but yeah, there's Grand Lisboa. Beautiful storefront, sign front. Bunch of COVID restrictions, that big red thing. It's warning everybody about COVID. Let's go check that out. And then in a minute, they're gonna do a show. I think they do it every 15 minutes, I think. So maybe what we'll do is we'll just walk towards the water. And I think they're gonna start it in a few minutes, but a lot of times people will sit right in this little area, and then you can watch the show from there. And then you can also see this background. Macau Tower is right there. And the bridge to Taipa's right there as well. There's the Wynn. Let's walk this way. And you can just see, I think it's going to start in a few minutes, but I'll just kind of show you what's around here as well. Avenida de Sagres. Luckily at the moment there's no music, so then over here there's a park. I'll just show you the park real quick as well so you can get a context of everything. But this little park you can sit in and you can overlook this bridge and the casino strip here. There's a couple, this is one casino strip on the Macau side, and then way over there is Galaxy. And Galaxy is another, that's the Cotai one, that's the famous one. That has, but that Cotai strip also has an MGM and a Wynn as well. But they bought more land and more space. But when you go in, there's a lot of similarities and some differences too. I don't know what this building is, it's new. They've been building it the last 9 months or so. Straight ahead you can see some cranes. I hope it's good because they took some real estate, like before that was all open so you could walk, you could see into the water. And now it's kind of looks really unsightly to me, but I don't know, maybe it'll be well worth it when it's done. I don't know. But yeah, you can sit in all these park benches here. And there's kind of a breeze a little bit. And then this one, it says Hotel Lisboa, so there's kind of a busy street. There's another park that you can sit in that's between this and that. And if you go underneath, you can go under and then come out over here. You can also come out over here as well. Both of them are interesting. So, but yeah, this is the Grand Lisboa, end of Lisboa, and then there's a strip of kind of older casinos like President Casino. You can see the sign President right there. Compact Bar is in there. That's interesting. Hotel Lisboa is not lit up. The casino part is lit up, but the hotel part is not for some reason. But usually that's all lit up. I think they're trying to save lighting a little bit maybe. It's not as many new tourists coming in. It's mostly just people that live here in Macau or maybe in Guangdong, which is right next to us. So I think the show's going to start up in a few minutes, so we'll just kind of walk towards this water, and then in a minute it'll come up and they'll probably have some loud music and it'll won't let me upload it probably, but we'll see. Okay, so this is the beautiful Wynn sign, and then usually they'll have a show, and I think it's usually every 15 minutes, but I think because of COVID maybe they've restructured a little bit differently. I'm a little bit worried about the over here is Star World, by the way. Worried about the music, so I won't. That's kind of cool. Star World has a big heart up there. But yeah, I'm worried about the music, so I'm gonna walk away from this. It might not let me upload the film, but that's basically what it looks like. They're advertising Cafe Esplanada, and it looks like there's no show. Maybe it's gonna be once an hour or once every 30 minutes. And I'm kind of walking away from the music as well, so maybe it won't affect the upload. But yeah. It's Wynn Casino on Macau side. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.